Hey, this is Mark with Lifecycle Insights. Before we begin with what we're going to talk about today, make sure you've seen Step 1, Asset Type Policies, Step 2, Asset Mapping, Step 3, Asset List, and Step 4, Cleanup by Category. If you have not, close this video, make sure to find those. Also, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We will be coming out with videos constantly, and you would benefit from getting notified. Today, I'm going to go over what Day 2 asset cleanup would look like. We'll be presenting with quick, easy steps for you to be able to follow. In order to get the most out of Lifecycle Insights, you'll want to make sure that the data you're working with is complete and accurate. The following guide will help you identify and remediate common problems with data quality. In this video, I want to make sure to show you the value of cleaning up data quality. Taking care of duplicate assets will let you give an accurate report on the categories that are important to you and with the replacement costs associated with your company. The duplicate asset indicator will show up at the top of the asset list when multiple configurations exist in your primary data source with the same serial number. To quickly get a list of your duplicate assets, click the drop-down next to the Duplicate Assets Found indicator and select Show Only Duplicate Non-Hidden Assets. Then sort the results by serial number. In most cases, the correct resolution is to eliminate the duplicate configurations in your primary data source. Deletions from your primary data source only sync into Lifecycle Insights during nightly maintenance, so you may need to hide the duplicates until the maintenance tasks run. These 5 steps will leave your data in a much better place than you found it. You may still need to check replacement costs on some assets that do not conform with your default asset type policies. Examples could include a high-end server or an Apple laptop that are more expensive than most of other users of the same asset type. At this stage, we recommend printing the report and viewing it broken out as your customer will see it. Irregularities seem to stand out when the document is formatted for consumption by a customer. Now, if you have any questions about the data cleanup process or any part of this video, please email support@lifecyclesinsights.io or create a support case through Help. Contact us at the bottom of the right hand of the page inside Lifecycle Insights application. Congratulations! We have just completed all the steps for our asset cleanup. The next step is budget and forecasting and recommendations. I'll see you there, and happy life cycling.